Alrighty folks, I'm on to a winner here. I've been doing some Borgy's bush cooking, and this one here is definitely right up there with the best of them. This is smashed spuds with a bit of a twist. So, if you haven't done it before, it's pretty simple. I'll run you through the process. You're going to start off with a couple of potatoes. You're going to boil them up in a bit of water, and once they're pretty well boiled through, take them out and dry them off. And pop them into a nice hot pan, smash them down to the little rubbly bits so they get up nice and crispy. And then we're going to drizzle over a bit of a special sauce that I've created, which is very simple. Some extra virgin olive oil, some maple flavoured syrup or some maple syrup, and a couple of spices. I've got garlic, cayenne pepper and parsley here. We're also going to add in some butter, put it on a little bit of heat, get it to melt right down through, and then drizzle it over the top while you've got nice high temperatures up under there. It's going to get nice and crispy, brown up perfectly. You might get a couple of burnt bits, but hey, they're the best parts. Give it a try, folks. You'll love it.